going to be 2023 Topps Chrome Platinum Anniversary, half of a case. Pick your team number 113. 114 is in the store. Let's do this side. We'll do one whole side. And we'll leave the other side for 114. I wrote it down somewhere. There we go. He did write it down. 2023 Topps Chrome Platinum Anniversary 6-box PYT. This is such a fun product to me. This is the one with the 91 Stadium Club throwbacks, right? Or the 91, yeah. The 91 Stadium Club throwbacks. I love that stuff. Oh my god, that's my favorite. What is the gold one called? Was there like one per case of the gold something or other? I feel like I've hit a Frank Thomas of that. That was Stadium Club, and this is Platinum Anniversary. What am I thinking of? What is it? Maybe I'm getting them confused. The gold minted. Ah. Oh, that's what that is. Oh, that's right. That is Stadium Club. That's not Platinum Anniversary. I'm getting them confused. This is the one with Duke Snider. I'm okay, Antoinette. How are you? Huh. No way! JD! I was just talking about him. I was just saying he's hitting great for the Mets. Wow. What are they, about to be like 8 games over 500, Efro? Dude. Oh my god, that's horrible, Antoinette. Those are like the most annoying injuries because you know they're not serious, but like they just last like longer than you want them to, and they're wildly uncomfortable. En fuego. Dude, the Mets have really been hitting. Where's Chris? Where's Chris? Didn't he bet the team total over for the Mets tonight? Those are the worst, yeah. Antoinette, it's like paper cuts. Like I'm like the paper. Like if I get a paper cut, I make more noise than anybody. Maybe recently he's been a little chilly, but JD has been good for us since he came back for sure. He's just such a professional hitter. There's the Tinkly Chicken. What's up, man? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, exactly. You're getting his veteran prowess. You're not just getting him as his he's the David Justice. He's our David Justice in Moneyball. Thank you, Mr. Chicken. That also hurts. Yes, Antoinette. That's a stinger. That can sting. I have these 2 hand lotions that I get from Lush. One is called the Handy Guru, and the other one is like their hand guru, and the other one is like much like, it's like a lot thinner. They keep my hands nice and soft and not as dry. It's like my way of moisturizing my hands. Sometimes I don't do it all the time, but when I feel like they're dry. Yeah, he's just a leader. He's a good clubhouse leader. He's clearly a good guy. I love his approach to being a professional hitter. I watched a video of him one time talk about how his goal sometimes is to keep his hands as like far back as possible before sending the bat through the strike zone. And just listening to him explain why he does that makes me realize that the man approaches hitting in a different way than a lot of other people. He's very professional about it. I just can't imagine that. I mean, I know some guys are, but I feel like his preparation is like 90% better than, is like better than 90% of the league, is what I'm trying to say. Even if other people do it well as well. Which is why what you're saying is 100% true, that he'd be amazing as a coach in general. It's super dry here in Vegas. It's crazy. Erie knows like everything about gloves. His glove collection and his memorabilia collection is pretty sick, supposedly. Ready. Cali. Come back to Vegas, baby. It's the best place to be. I love it here. I love it in Vegas. I really do. I lived in New York for over 40 years. I know a lot about New York City. I know a lot about New York. I was a total East Coaster, but yeah, exactly. Chad said it best, which is Vegas is forever growing. It really is. Continues to grow. No place is perfect. Of course, Vegas has its issues too, but at the end of the day, it's a great place to live. I really enjoy it. Summerlin and Henderson or Southern Highlands. If you're not in one of those 3 places, I'm sorry. Insane. Air Jordan, he's been on fire. Centennials is okay, yeah. But yeah. But like, yeah, part of Centennial Hills is really nice, and the other part is like, you know? But those are the spots you really want to be at. Remember we had I mean, just looking at like the old Barry Bonds numbers in terms of like video game numbers, there's some crazy rabbit hole stats you can go on. I think I read a stat recently that said up until like a certain year recently that McCovey, Mays, and Bonds accounted for like 21% of like all the home runs the Giants had ever hit as a ball club. There we go, Air Jordan. The air up there. I mean, if you don't mind the Scorpions, being on the edges is really nice of Vegas. There's a lot of amazing value in real estate on the outskirts of Vegas that I would like love to live in a house out there or even closer to like Charleston, Mount Charleston, but the Scorpions, I don't know, it's the only thing I'm not sure I could deal with. I love going down that rabbit hole, MGH. His stats are like so silly. Bonds should absolutely be in the Hall of Fame. I'm not even a Bonds guy. I'm not anti-Bonds, but I'm not like, oh my god, Bonds! You know, like, I mean, I think his stats speak for themselves. His prowess as a ball player speaks for itself. He was flashy. He used to wear the bling. That wasn't my style. I was more of a traditional fan as a kid. So Bonds wasn't my favorite player. But what he did for baseball and what he did as a baseball player, there is zero question that he should be in the Hall of Fame. That's for damn sure. Kevin Bacon was in the air up there. I think they're doing a remake of it, Brink, or something like that, or a sequel. I love seeing Bond stuff in the repacks that Hawk does. I will tell you this right now. I'll give you... Yeah, exactly, Brink. That's why he wasn't my favorite, but we can't deny how amazing he was as a player. I'm gonna give you guys a little hint, okay? I'm gonna give you guys a little hint. I'm telling you right now, the Giants are a good team to have in the repacks that Hawk is putting together, because I didn't see that much of the singles that Hawk bought. I went around with him, we did some wax buying together, but he randomly, I pointed at like a Mays or a Bonds here and there, and he's like, dude, I've gotten some great Mays and Bonds stuff. Hawk said to me, the Giants are a good team to have in my next repack. They got a lot of Mays, a lot of Bonds. So, if you like Mays, if you like Bonds, then you want to get the Giants in Hawk's next repack. That is really cool, Mr. Chicken. I didn't know that. We got some old wax for the next repacks coming up. You guys have no idea what's going to hit you. 2013 Finest, 93 Upper Deck SP, 94 Upper Deck SP, 2011 with the Trout Chase. You have no idea. We have all sorts of crazy stuff planned for you. Hawk did an amazing job. All right, here we go. 2023 Topps Chrome Platinum Anniversary, 6 boxes P. YT, yes, we got 89 Upper Deck, low number, so we can get more Griffies. Low number, Brink. Yes, we got it, bro. We got tons of great stuff for the repack, seriously. And we're off. Jeter Downs is in front of our first auto. Cal Mitchell for the Pirates. is our first autograph. Does this say it does say refractor. Okay. I've never been more excited for a baseball repack as I am. There's Gio Urshela on the blue to 199. As I am for the one that we've got coming up whenever Hawk puts it together. I mean, the old wax is like the most fun part to me. There's Honus Wagner to 100. Honus Wagner for the Pirates to 100. There's Gil Hodges refractor. The old wax is the most fun part to me, getting to open the old wax. Is this unnumbered? No, not numbered. But hold on, let me see something. Nice. Gold. I think that's rose gold of Evan Longoria. Yeah, it is. To 75. Diamondbacks, the corn. Gets Longo to 75. I love that was clean. That's a clean. I like how it's clean. No design, no wave, no nothing. Just a clean rose gold to 75 of Longo. Yeah, I'm not a Jordan guy. I'm not a Bonds guy. I was not a fan of either of those guys. I wasn't like anti-Jordan, but I definitely thought Jordan was a total dick. I just thought Bonds was a showboat. I thought Jordan was a dick and Bonds was a showboat. But like, I don't know. I'm just one person. But Bonds doesn't deserve to be out of the hall. Bonds should be in the hall. That's insane. I mean, I don't know. Again, I'm just one person. What the hell do I know? Tim Raines on the refractor. Yum. Green wave of McLean. Shota glass to 99 for Bok Choy. Bok Choy, if you're out there, I gave you those 3 spots and I wrote a post-it. Taj on the rookie refractor. Beatty. Dawson the Hawk to 499. See, these are like really nice cards to be numbered to 499 with that Topps like watermark thing going on. It's upside down, but c'est la vie. That's like the logo fractor thing, you know? I like it. I like it. Ji-Hwan, not your boo, but your bae. On the rookie refractor. Is that Mookie? It is Mookie to 150 on the Sparkle. And we press on. Next box, let's get it. We can't stop, won't stop. It's like the money train. Ooh, Gunner rookie to 199. Oh no, McLean got hurt again? Are you serious? I'm anti-Clemens also. Clemens, I'm anti. Clemens tilts me out. Because Clemens was like, when they asked him, why did you throw the bat at Piazza? His answer was, I thought it was the ball. Well, why would you throw the ball at him either? You're supposed to throw it to first base. Caleb Hamilton to 199. With ink, but also some chrome dust. So let's clean him off. Caleb, clean yourself up. Caleb for the Sox to 199. Max MT. Oh, that chrome dust drives me insane. Sorry. There we go. Nice and clean there. Billy. Not Billy, Caleb. I was thinking Billy Hamilton. Caleb Hamilton. Refractor autograph. To 199. Raleigh on the refractor. DL Hall, card number 2 in Allen and Ginter last year. Rose gold to 75. It is Seager. Seager for the champs. The champs are here. Isaac. I haven't seen it yet, but I really, really want to watch that Pete Rose documentary. I really, really want to watch it. I've met him in person in Florida years ago when I was a little kid. I know I've told you guys. I definitely want to watch it. Yeah, Palmero, yeah. It's funny, like, everything you guys are saying is like, yeah, like Palmero kind of being the same. It's like the same, yeah. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. I agree with that, Brink. I do like this product a lot. As I'm going through it now again, I haven't opened this for a long time. I like this product. It's a $4.99 manual Margot for the Rays. Hunter Green on the checkered. There's Tyler Anderson to $4.99. Angels. Refractor of Ali Alejandro. Ali Alejandro. This, okay, so we've gone over this before. What's up, Dram? Tell me this is not a fat backer. This is if backer were a little bigger with a little more facial hair. If backer had facial hair. It's so weird, man. It's so weird. CJ orange? We have orange. Tyler Stevenson to 25 on the True O. Stevenson to 25 on the True O. He's a good player, Seattle. He's just a good player. Clemens is a POS, Stewie. We know this. 22 of 25, but people love him. To each his own. You want to love Clemens? You can love Clemens. He's not my favorite. The Rocket. You know who else is not my favorite? Curt Schilling. I'll just stir up shit in the room here. Curt Schilling is not my favorite. He can take his bloody sock and shove it somewhere else. Sorry to the Red Sox fans out there. It's not anti-Red Sox. It's anti-Curt Schilling. Evan Lee. Evan Lee. It's a $4.99. What's up, Ricky Bobby? Oh, God, don't get me started on Rob Dibble. We know this, Sea Otter. We know this. He was the one whose pants fell down at first base, right? The Dibble. The Dibble. We're at the 1/3 mark. We have 4 boxes left. And you can call me crazy, but that looks like a good color. I don't know. I can't see for shit, but I think it's red. Let's see. Should we do a guess? If it's red, we'll do a guess. Pache to $4.99. I think it's red. Tell me this isn't red. Tell me you don't like my shoe. Tell me it's my earrings. Is it my earrings? Tell me it's my earrings. This is red, no? Let's do a guess. Go ahead. Samuel Samuels. Who calls people by both their names? Okay, fine. It's your earrings. Guess what I believe is a red card. I'm going to guess Duke Snider by default. Guess the red card for $50 in credit. Ready, go. Ready, go. That's terrible, Brink. You hit a fan. Gold Wave. Oh, Lefty Grove. Lefty Grove for the Philadelphia Athletics. Does that go to the A's? Who did the Philadelphia Athletics become? The Oakland Athletics? Or does it go to the Phillies? Jordan to $4.99. I'm not the one responsible of making sure it goes where it's supposed to, but I'm just curious what the answer is. Robin Roberts. Rockin' Robin Roberts. Oh, black. Is that black, or are you just happy to see me? Isn't black to 10? Casey Mize. Casey Mize to 10 for Detroit and the Corn. Casey Mize to 10. Interesting. To 10. We still have a red, though. Isn't red to 5? Have you guys gotten your guesses in yet? Did I catch a 9er in there? Get your guesses in on the red. My guess is Duke Snider. It's 50 in cred. If you get it right, I'm going to do it after this box. It's a $4.99 there. It's Michael Ciani, rookie for the Reds. Speaking of Reds, red, the name of the word of the day. Pee-wee's Playhouse, red. This is orange, so we got orange in the back of my handful. Orange in the back of my handful. Good luck. Looks like an orange wave of Clayton Kershaw, the future Hall of Famer for the Dodgers. Stone Justice gets a PC piece of Clayton Kershaw. We take PC pieces here. 8 out of 25 on the O wave. Doesn't look red. Uh-oh. We don't think it's red? Oh, dear. Oh, dear. It's a Fred. Oh, no, it's an atomic red. It's not a red. Oh, you're right. It's atomic red, probably. Maybe. You might be right. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. All right, well, whatever this card is, I'll give away $50 if you guys guessed it right. I think you're right. It's an atomic red to 100, but let's see. Nope, you were wrong. It is Yuri Perez to 5 with an auto on the red. Not a Fred, but a red. Yuri Perez. Hawk is a buyer. Nice card. Serious, nice card. That's beauty. It's a beautiful card. Crispy. Crispy Yuri Perez to 5. Miami Kenrique. Kenrique. Very nice. Was not expecting to hit a red auto in this case. Woo-wee. Hot tamale. Yeah, Hawk would really like that card. Hawk is a buyer. All right, and we're going to get back to it. I'm guessing nobody guessed Yuri, but we don't know. If they did, let me know, and I'll check, and I'll give you credit if you did. Strider to 150. And then where's Waldo? I'm in his dad Andy's fantasy league. He's a very nice gentleman. I won it last year. I don't think I'm going to win it again this year, but I'm doing my best. I think I'm in like 5th. No go on the checkered. Last year, I won Ken Waldachuk's dad's fantasy league, and I gave all the money to you guys. I randomed it away to the chat. Charlie Blackmon to $4.99 for the Rockies. Refractor of Walsh. Oh, green. Green Wave of Pujols, fan favorite for the Cardinals. His numbers are so sick. Does it say pale or pate? What noises is Hama making? Is he an animal? I don't understand. Pate. It says pate. And 69, right? Pate 69. That's quite a combination. Take the girl out for some pate, you know? Hold on. Excuse me. When I sneeze, I sound like Jake's answering machine. Hama is shirtless? Oh, dear. Hawk! Oh, no, you heard an answering machine reference. Your Yuri senses are tingling. That's a smart tingle. You did. We hit it. I'll show you right now. We hit a sick Yuri. Look at this. Look at this Yuri. 4 out of 5 with the on-card auto. Out of Platinum Annie on the rookie. Red rookie. Oh no. That's a nice one. Nice Yuri. Drew. Mr. Magoo on the rookie refractor. There's the red atomic. Or the pink, red atomic, whatever, pink atomic, fuchsia atomic, Oscar Gonzalez, magenta fuchsia, reddish, atomic-ish, 100 out of 100, last in the print-ish, Guardians-ish, what is this? Gold. This is gold. Herrera. Cardinals to 50 on the rookie Herrera. Herrera. Ivan. Think he knows how to box? I doubt it. Herrera. Who's got St. Louis? Pate. Take her out for some pate. I eat almost everything. Pate, not my favorite. Refractor. Dun, 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 dun. To $4.99, it's Bill Mazeroski for the Pirates. Two boxes left. Nice case so far. Other half of the case is still in the store, and we can do that too if y'all would like to. Two boxes left. Mic check. 1 2 1 2. Good luck, home stretch. Checkered of, was that Ciani? No, Schmidt, excuse me, Casey Schmidt. I was like, he's not a red. Johnny Brito, the water filter, ish. Not the real water filter. That guy's in the Rockies. Gold? Is this gold? Gold. Who's in front of Andrew Jones and behind Zach Thompson and made of gold for the Braves? Sean Murphy is. A true G. 27 of 50. Not an OG, but a true G. I know, I was crazy to bet on them, huh? I actually did. I bet way too much money on the White Sox tonight. Did the Orioles and the Reds both win? If they did, then I broke even. Because I bet way too much on the White Sox tonight. Gold wave of Mr. Anderson for the Angels to 50. Tyler Anderson, that is. 13, lucky number 13 of 50. We just got on a barrage of golds. That's like our fourth gold, but we just hit them all not too long ago. Okay, thank goodness. So I'll push for the day, Sea Otter. I'll take a push-a-lush. We'll take it. My baseball's been pretty good, Hawk. You should start following me, bro. Ooh. To 99 on the green. The camo kind of looking. Tyler Freeman. So we got Oscar Gonzo and now Tyler. I randomly just got a craving for tacos. Should I order tacos? I kind of want tacos. Mexican food just sounds so good. Out of nowhere, I just thought about tacos. What is this? To 75, it's my boy who you guys just told me he just got hurt. That he got re-injured in his rehab stint. McLean, shoot the glass himself to 75 on the rose gold sparkles. Orange at the bottom of the box. What's in the box? Refractor of Spidey, Torrey Hunter. To $4.99, it's going to be J.P. Crawford for the Mariners. And then who's in front of J.P. France? Behind Aranda, it's an orange. Oh, autograph. No way, it's Spidey. It's Spidey. That's a sick card. Juice. What a great break this is. Torrey Hunter on the true orange auto. That's so clean. The quality control in this product is excellent this year. I know we opened it before. It's not like this is my first time opening it, but the QC is phenomenal. The centering is very nice. Torrey Hunter to 25 with ink. So we get another nice low-numbered auto for Juice. Dorson's probably a buyer on that. I know, right? I think Hawk was the reason that... Hawk definitely... he was tingling. Manny to 150. And then an auto of Gavin Stone, who has great stuff, but sometimes he just has it, and sometimes he just doesn't. The other day, he didn't really have it. What's your name? Duran for the champs to 199. And then, is that a bonus auto? Might be a bonus auto. Where's Waldo to 150 for the A's? I said nice things about his dad and his fantasy league, and we hit a nice card of his son. An Aqua to 150 with ink of Where's Waldo. Ernie Banks to a hundo spot on the fuchsia magenta Fred that they call atomic somehow, even though there's nothing atomic about it. Dontrell Willis, he was so much fun to watch. Green camo to 99 of Taj Bradley. He's back. He's back in action for the Rays. He's a good pitcher. Last handful here. Good luck. Blue, Robin Yount. Nice color match there on the old Brewers jersey to 199. Brew Crew, Mr. Bass. And then a backwards Mookie Betts, which is backwards for no reason whatsoever. Just trying to fake me out into thinking it's special. Smoltzy to $4.99. That's gonna do it. Where's BK and Mark? I miss those guys. They play golf with Smoltz all the time. Me sleeve and top load, and we'll do a nice recap for a very solid break. Was Mookie an image variation? I mean, maybe. I'll check. I don't know. Maybe it was. Maybe you're right. Maybe that's why he was backwards. Where's the Mook? Give me the Mook. Give me the Mook. Where is he? Oh, I see. Hold on. I should have checked. You're right, Leaf. My bad. Let me see. It probably is. Let's check the number. Yeah, I think it is. I think the Mookie is an image variation. Good call. I think it is, which is probably why it was backwards. It's got a different number. You got it, Eds. If you'd like to, if you killed it, you got it. This is such a fun product. I love seeing the old names. If any nice Duke Snider comes out of here, I'll buy it. Okay, good to go for the Rizzy recap. Good call on that image variation. Thank you. All right, here is the recap. We're going to do in descending order, or as I sometimes accidentally say, condescending order. I'm such an idiot. All right. And then we got this, this, and this. All right. Here's the full recap. Good stuff. Great product. No, I think he wants to kill it, Chad, yeah. Smoltz, Crawford, Brito, Mazurowski, Charlie Blackmon, Jordan, Siani, Pache, Evan Lee, Margot, Anderson, the Hawk, what's your name, Duran, Yount, nice gunner there to 199. Gio Urshela, Manny, Strider, get well soon, Mookie Betts, Ernie Banks, Oscar Gonzalez, and Honus Wagner. Before we get to the autos, got Taj Bradley, Freddie Freeman on the camos to 99, Pujols and McLean again on the Rose Gold Mini Diamond, Seager, Longoria, Tyler Anderson to 50, Murphy to 50, Herrera to 50, Lefty Grove to 50, Stevenson to 25, Kershaw to 25, Casey Mize to 10, Mookie Betts on what I believe is an image variation. And now let's look at the ink. Gavin Stone for the Dodgers. Waldo. Where's Waldo? Where's Ken Waldachek for the A's? Cal Mitchell, rookie auto for the Pirates. Caleb Hamilton to 199 for the Red Sox. Where Waldo again? I just can't help but call him Where's Waldo. To 150 on the Aqua. Torrey Hunter to 25 with ink for the Twins. And then Yuri to 5 for the Fish. I love how it's on card. We got some nice autos there. That was PYT 113 of 2023 Topps Chrome Platinum Anniversary. 6 boxes of it. PYT 113 as previously mentioned. Thank you for joining. That was a break.